Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to add a footer in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. A footer is a useful section at the bottom of each page where you can place page numbers, document titles. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, open an existing document or create a new blank document where you want to add a footer. Then, click the Insert tab from the ribbon at the top of the Word window. After that, locate the footer option in the header and footer group and click on it. Next, a list of built-in footer styles will appear. Choose the footer style that best fits your document by clicking on your preferred option. Then, Microsoft Word will automatically insert the selected footer and open it for editing. Now, click inside the footer area and replace the sample text with your own information. You can type your name, company name, document title, page numbers, date, or any other text you want to display at the bottom of every page. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.